One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I got here for you today is a 1998 Ford E350 van. It's the extended van. I'm pretty sure it's the biggest extended van they make. It's made to seat 15 people. So if you like to breed, you like to have kids, this here just may be the car for you. Or maybe you just got a business or something. Whatever. It's a good van. Make a great work van. Make a great van life camper van. Whatever kind of van you want this to be, it's moldable and shapeable and ready for you to make your dream, make all your van dreams come true. If you're interested, you can call me 406-546-8748. Dog dish with the hubcaps on there look great. Oneownercarguy.com. There'll be a bunch of pictures on there. Okay, this thing has a ton of maintenance records and everything been done to it. 120,000 miles and window sticker, the whole shot. I'm going to spread these out and go through them a bit. The van had a remanufactured transmission put in it. And all the records are here. It had all the recall work done. Just receipt after receipt. And it's all motor pool stuff. Repair sliding door. All kinds of oil changes. Replacing tires. Draining and flushing. They always drain and flushing the power steering and the brake system. There's your regular options. And there's this. It is a club wagon. Super wagon. It's a 15 passenger, baby. So that's all your information on this. And all kinds of vehicle maintenance. And they go through all the checklists. Clean the brake shoes. I mean, crazy. Okay, that's that. And there's only 120,000 miles on it. I'll go around and show you any damages and such, and we'll go from there. As you can see, that's in great shape. Nice, good set of tires. They've got decent tread. Super clean. Check out the oil pan and the drain pan. Look at that. So clean. And paint's in good shape. Lenses, this one has a little condensation. A little discolored in the grill. Honestly, that would be easy to paint. A little condensation in that lens too. Bumpers are in good shape. There's a ding in it right there. And missing a plate holder. Miscellaneous rock chips, tiny chips. Nothing really noticeable, but these could use a spraying. Ding right here, a little bit around the lens. We put a new lens in it. Somebody knocked it out. Now this was the MSU van for Montana State University, and they had it since it was new. Little scratch there. This van has about 115,000 miles on it. It was at the State University, MSU, for its entire life. There's like 6 auto check records on it. Has a great high auto check score. And it's a one-owner van maintained by the motor pool for MSU here in Missoula for its entire life, 25 years. And miscellaneous little scratches here and there. Nothing too serious. There's some little dingies right there. Little insignificant scratches here and there. Right there. A little scuff on the light, actually. And a little ding right here. And miscellaneous chippage, let's call it. Ding right there in the door. They did something there. Kind of bent that out a little bit. All functions just correctly. I'll show you that when I go up to my dad's. And little thing there. It's not really just kind of scratched the paint right off. Show you into the back. Super clean van. And show you tread here. Wheel wells, things. Pretty clean. That might have been zoomed up too far. Little paint chippage right there. All the glass is good. And still got the factory rock chip stuff there. A little chip right there. And we just put new door hinges in this one. We put a new shifter with the electronic button. And a couple other things. Anything it basically needed, we did. I'm going to take you up for a test drive. We'll roll down the road and try this thing out. Oh yeah, new door handle was one of the other things. And watch. Look how this... That's what your new door pins will get you. This thing's tight now. All right, I brought it up here to my dad's. It's a nice area. You get some shade and look at beautiful trees in the background. So I'll give you another walk around real quick to where you can see how it looks in another light. Sometimes dings and such don't show the same way in the direct sunlight as they do in like a shadowy environment. And for what it's worth, this thing's clean. Good truck. I call everything a truck. I don't know why. But for whatever it's worth, 406-546-8748. Probably about 50 pictures on my website, oneownercarguy.com. I'm going to go in and show you the under the hood, on the inside, all that, where you can see every part of the truck. And that's that. What a nice van. What a nice van. New door handle. A little ding right there. Don't think I've seen that one. Door panels are in great shape. The dust on it there from me, but the floor there's no wear on. It's absolutely great shape. There was a little wear on the seat right there, that kind of stuff, and a little starting across here, but it's in good shape. But this is a lot better shape. We put these on brand new, and one for the back one. Headliner's in good shape. There's lights all over the place in here. You know, I think my kid turned that light on. Nope. The other one must be out. 120 on it. 120. 944 for miles. Dash is clean. Let me show you in the back. Did I pop the pin? I'm going to make use of this new door handle. Pop the hood on it where I can show you into the hood. And so you need that seat and this seat if you want to go the seat route. Right now it sits 8 people, so about like, well, bigger than some Tahoes, I guess. And in here you got rear AC controls. The AC was ice cold. This seat was a little tore right here. It's very comfortable, but it was a little tore. Put some tape on it. Although we put the seat cover here, we did not put it here because this is such good shape. I'll throw in that if you want it though. Might be some way to get it to fit here. This is a little starting at the seam there, and there's a little hole there. But other than that, the interior is in great shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 air vents back here. Heater, AC, all that works. Look at the floors. A super clean rig. Okay, let's look under the hood and we'll take a test drive. Back to the place. Under the hood is super clean. Look there. Super clean. Motor pool service. That's what they call it too. I guess the motor pools had this vehicle in stock since it was new. That's what the lady said. And when she gave me the stack of paperwork on it of everything that's been done, there's a stack of paperwork 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick of just stuff done to this truck. So that's the deal. I've got lots of vans in stock right now. I've got a E150. The doors are tight. Brand new door pins. And they are tight. There you go, look. Look at them new door pins. And that's a task to do. Got that AC on. Just like that. Okay. Fires right up. Nice cold AC. I don't know if I've said that yet. Now, that's what I wanted to tell you. You gotta be careful with this thing because, let me show you. When you pull it down into gear, it goes to second right there. You gotta actually make sure you're in overdrive because it's not exactly on all the way down to 1, but you're in first right now. Now you're in second, and now you're in drive. Like I say, this piece is new, and the overdrive, that all works. Got your Montana University System coding number or whatever. Nice cold AC. Did I say that? I think I did. Because it's nice and cold. Got a little spin out ashtray. Cars don't have ashtrays. Ooh, Impala. There's no smell of like somebody smoked it, does it? But it does have an ashtray. Just because it has an ashtray doesn't mean it got smoked in. 5.4 liter Ego window land speed race, man, is a big extended E350. 1 ton, baby. But it shifts and it drives. Downshifts too, just like it should. Nothing lasts forever. And I'm sure at some point, whether it's on the way home or what it may be, you're going to go through a belt, a hose, an alternator. Who knows? I don't know what. Right now, everything on this van is good. And the only thing bad I can say about this van is, if you're going to use it for passengers, you're going to need to buy a couple seats. So we're up to speed now, and just gliding down the road. That thing downshifts. Nice. Look at all the beautiful cars on this one owner car guy's car lot. What a deal. We got a rock chuck problem right now. I'm gonna have to be out here hunting rock chucks all weekend. Okay. I think we got this. If not, it's insured. No, that's not funny. Actually, it is kind of funny. Okay, good stuff, good van. This thing's ready to go. I'm going to pull it up here in the driveway, give you an outro. We got all kinds of cars for sale. Anything you're interested in, definitely give me a ring. Nathan, 406-546-8748. I'll be honest, air conditioner's almost a little too cold at this time of night. Okay, that's that. Beautiful van. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Got that van coming up. There's a 150 van over there. We got vans. We got vans. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.